Make adjustment to machine parameter, like speed of X, Y, and Z axis movements. Spraying can be achieved for various materials like single compound coatings such as paint, varnish, enamels, and also for double compound like A+B fixed ratio dispensing such as resin and hardener or polyurethane-based coating. Multiple layers can be achieved by programming adjustment in HMI. This machine is fully programmable to achieve different sizes of job. X, Y, and Z axis and travel speed can be adjusted. For more information, visit www.autofill.com.